Are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead. So we're going to demonstrate what a chiropractic adjustment pediatric look like in my office. I'll use a very particular way, a particular tool.
Doing?
We go adjust the baby or your sister with this tool like that. A little tapping mechanism, very gentle, and I kind of use a muscle testing style. And I use the muscle testing using a leg to determine if where this vertebra is out of alignment. So she's out right here. I'm going to kind of challenge the spine a little bit. What the spine needs right there. So I use my tool and do a little light tap right here. It's very gentle tap in there. You don't feel anything. That is called adjustment tool. And we're going to adjust your spine where you're out. So she's a little bit out in the sacrum. I'm gonna go.
I hear the sound. What is that?
That's the tool adjustment your spine. It's called auto-extend.
Go, guys.
I'm just challenging your spine and see if it needs additional adjustment.
直接放松，直接放松。
你放松，你放松。
Is it tickle?
It tickles. Yes, it tickles.
Why does it tickle? What is
Sometimes it feels tickle, right? It feels tickle a little bit.
Why does it feel tickle?
And because when we adjust it, the tool vibrating your spine and tap the spine back in proper alignment, that's why it feels that way, okay?
Oh, yes.
Alrighty, this will conclude the spine adjustment on when the patients are laying on their stomach. Thank you.